welcome to my channel. I thought I would just film an impromptu video vlog thing. Because I'm back in Switzerland and I've just been having like such a wonderful few days here, and I just wanted to document because it's my last day today, so I'm gonna be packing and all that stuff, and I just wanted to like capture some moments. It is a bit of a gloomy day today. It's kind of rainy, but it's mainly just like gray skies, but because it's spring, it's still really nice. Like the trees are kind of green. I love the green in the springtime. It's just more like vibrant, and it's just such a special magical manifestation of nature and spring, and yeah, I love it. So it is almost 2 p.m. I also have a dinner with friends later in the evening, and then after that I'm gonna be going to my sister's place because she just moved, and I'm so excited to see her new flat and to see her and to see Bourbon, her dog. I have to say, like, the last month or two have been pretty like hectic, stressful, just kind of like a rough patch. So yeah, I think I was also just in Berlin for a bit long, and now it's really nice to like get out of Berlin sometimes, and especially like go home, see friends, see family, and yeah, just kind of get out of the big city life. I mean, Berlin really is a big city. It has 4 million people living there, and going to like a smaller town, seeing some nature, seeing some countryside, it's just like a different way of living, definitely. So that's really nice, and yeah, I just thought we would like chill, hang out. I'm gonna take you along as I pack, and I'm also gonna be making some dessert for the dinner tonight. So I just got done showering. I feel really good, I feel really fresh, and I listened to my friend's podcast. It's called It's the Purpose, Dear, and it's narrated by my friend Steve, who does an excellent job, and then he has 2 guests on there, Nadia and Laurent, talking on the topic of purpose, and there's 2 episodes out. It's super interesting. I highly recommend listening to it, and definitely leave a rating. That would help out so much. I'm just gonna go around the house, pick up all my stuff, put it in one corner, and then I'll figure out what I'm gonna make for dessert tonight. Okay. Alright friends, I've got about an hour and a half before I need to leave. As you can see, I still need to do all the dishes, but for the dessert I've decided to make a simple apple tart because I still have some puff pastry in the fridge. We just happen to have 3 apples in the house. I don't even have time to go and get supplies, so I'm gonna make that real quick. The most important thing is that look at this cute chopping board. Anyway, the most important thing is that it gets into the oven as soon as possible so it can cool down and I can transport it. I'm a little bit stressed, but I mean, the main things I need to do are just do the dishes and finish packing after that. So yes, let's get to baking. Guys, finally I'm ready to leave. I got my suitcase, I got my pie. Unfortunately, I missed my train. That was already a later train, so now I'm gonna be 40 minutes late. But yeah, nothing I can do. There was just so much to do in the kitchen and packing, and I had to pack the cake, which was really stressful, or the tart. But yeah, so now I'm hopping on the next train. I'm so excited to try the pie and to see everyone. So yeah. Oh my god, so dreamy. I love it so much. I'm here 10 years later.
Hey, this game needs.
Good morning. I'm at Juice's place now. I'm eating some cake. Yusuf is making pancakes. Yesterday was fun. We had ramen. It's really good. Thank you, Mo, for cooking. I don't have too many plans for today. I just want to do some work and maybe go for a walk. But yeah, just vibing. Yoga workout, and then I did a meditation. I feel really good now. I haven't done my little routine and I think probably over 2 weeks, so this felt so good. And I'm gonna shower now and get ready, and then I really want to make a grilled cheese sandwich. I've been like craving that so much all day.